In front of me is a MEIZU M8, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the DND toggle, which for me is right here in the corner. Once you find it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So here are all the settings that you have access to. Now the basically prime candidates to be changed are things like messages and calls, which basically allows you to pick who can call you and who can message you. And the options are here: allow anyone, contacts only, whitelist contacts only, not exactly sure what that is. Steered contacts only are the favorite basically. And then allow no one, kind of weirdly stated, but anyway. So once you select whichever one you want, there is a little caveat to calls with allow no one. There's a really good example for this. So even though no one should be able to reach you, and with this toggle on, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass this section right here for calls. So they will basically reach you without a problem. Messages, same kind of options as calls, and then we have also Do Not Disturb level, so alarms only, allow nothing, and priority, which this is the priority what we are setting up right here. And lastly, we do have the schedule mode right here, which allows you to simply set up a schedule, so you don't actually have to toggle it on and off yourself. So you just set up the time at which it will start and end, and each day of the week that you wanted to do that. But I'm not going to be going into the schedule. I'm just going to do the manual toggle on. So once I set it all up here, I can simply leave this and find the toggle once more. This time tap on it, and there we go. It is now enabled with the settings that we have changed. And once you're done with it, you can simply tap on it again to turn it off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.